Welcome back, masters. Thank you all for tuning into another video. Hope you guys are doing amazing. This will be a quick update analysis on Nasdaq, starting from monthly time frame into much lower time frame. About the 4 hour, we won't get into any lower than the 4 hour because it would be really unnecessary. So okay, let's just get into this video right now. So we have the monthly time frame here, and wow, as we can see that price has been in a long-term uptrend, for a long time. If we look back, it's been years since it's been in a monthly uptrend, but things are starting to change since 2018 here. We can see that the trend was broken actually. So let me plot a trend here so we can see exactly where our trend was broken. Here we had lows respected up until this region here where our uptrend was broken, which initiates our supply zone. So we have to draw our supply area here, so this supply area forced the trend to be broken here, so that's very, very significant to us. And after the break of the trend, we had a structural retest of supply that pushed price lower to here, that broke the previous low by a significant amount, telling us that there's a good chance of price doing a structural retest of this to even go lower, into these areas here. If not, then this will be taken out and price will go back into, our trend, and then we would adjust the trend, to respect that low, and then we will see, what will happen. So let's take a look at the weekly so we can have a much clearer view here. As we can see, with our structural retest here, stated to break the lows, price came down, broke the lows. We had another structural retest here, and price, dropped, based, and then dropped again, and now we are currently on the structural retest of this to possibly go lower on Nasdaq. That's what we're looking for. If we don't go lower, then price would come down into these regions here and stop, and continues to go up, stating that this was a structural retest of demand, and then we would have demand in this area here. So let me just draw it so we can see much clearly what we have right there. So this could be possible demand as well, so we'd have to see if price comes back down here, and touches the proximal line and then go up, then we confirm this as demand. But for now, this is not demand, so we will see if price go up, do a structural retest and break lower. So that's what we have on the Nasdaq. Let's take a look at the daily. We can see that price is already starting to revert, from these structural retest areas. So it's a high chance that price will come back into our level here, and we see how it reacts to here. Then after seeing how it reacts, then we will know what will happen next. But there's a high chance of price going lower because we are still in a downtrend, and the previous low was breaking by a really large amount, so it tells us that the shorts are much stronger than the longs. So yeah, so let's go to the 4-hour. We can see 4-hour we're still let's just apply our trend so we can see it much clearly. There we can see that the 4-hour trend was broken, and we know that when the trend is broken, we have this zone here that we stated was demand, but we're not confirming it as demand just yet. It hasn't proved itself. It has to prove itself to us. So that's why we have this level here, because that's where we see that the trend is broken here, and then we had a structural retest of this, and price went higher. So yeah, that's it for Nasdaq. That's it for NAS 100. Hope you guys had some great insights from this video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing and liking. And yes, I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm trying to see if there's anything I missed that I could cover, but I think that's it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and stay tuned for more videos to come. And thank you all again for watching. I'll see you guys next time.